Hi there. I recently bought additional electronic component tools like precision tweezers, small screwdrivers and soldering accessories to add to my toolkit. I had no convenient storage for it, so in turn I bought this RELIFE RL-001G multifunction maintenance storage container. Join me in this video as I unbox it and assemble the storage box. So the RELIFE RL-001G storage container comes in a box this size. It's small. On the side of the box it says Guangzhou Sunshine Electronics Technology Company, based in Guangzhou, China, and there's a website www.exinxun.com. The weight of the product including the box is 0.51 kilograms and the container itself should only be 0.44 kilograms. That's the label describing the box, but I do not understand why it says the manufacturer is Foshan Xinghen Technology Company, located in Foshan City. Seems to be a different company compared to the Guangzhou Sunshine Electronics Technology Company. This is the left hand side plate, that's the right hand side plate. Start with the left hand side plate. This is the front, that is the rear. Take this top plate. The front is the continuous face. The rear has the two cutout slots, one here and one here. Slot the plate into the bottom slot on both sides. Second plate, same thing. The cutout slots face the rear. Slot it into the top slot on both sides. Now the top plate, the label faces the front, and on both sides there's this L-shaped bracket. So that means this top container slides downwards. And you can tell because the front face should be flush with the front side plate. The 4-compartment drawer with the pulling handle facing the front. There are two extended tabs at the end of the rear corners. The tabs will go in at an angle and slide the drawer in. Lastly, the two end containers. And that's it. That's so simple. It's completed, and I think this will be a very useful container for me for my many new tweezers, precision screwdrivers, solder wicks, solder wires, and many other things. There are 18 of these large holes for bigger size screwdrivers, and there's 8 of these smaller holes. And these clear plastic rods can be used for holding soldering wire or solder wick. As an illustration, I have here the Mechanic brand Motab SE screwdrivers. It is a set of precision screwdrivers of 6 different shapes. So that's the 6 screwdrivers inserted, and you can see the tip comes through the other end, for which there are holes to allow the tips to pass through. Here I have the Mechanic G17 tweezer. And these can be inserted in here, or they could clip onto the end. Here I have the Mechanic brand glue removal brush. And this could sit in here as well. Here I have the Mechanic brand diagonal air gun nozzle attachments, different sizes from 4mm diameter through to 12.7mm diameter. Take these out and put them in the tray. So overall, I am pleased. I have a lot more tweezers and small components to put to the drawer and the side trays, as well as the top plate. And I also have additional solder wires to put to the plastic rods, but I won't do it in this video. This is just so you see how to assemble this multi-function container, as well as how useful it can be. As for the dimensions of the storage container, its width from left edge to right edge is 255mm. The height is 160mm. From the front of the container, where the edge of the pull tab is, to the rear, it is 180mm. The width of this top plate is 190mm, and the internal depth of the side containers is 78mm. I do hope you found this video useful and interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much.